So in here, what you see is an example of a little vial that represents how our vaccine that we currently have stored looks like. So the coronavirus is a very small agent that what it does is when it's transmitted through these air droplets, when you're sneezing, for example, it has the ability of entering your system. Once it's in the lungs, for it to survive, it requires to actually go inside your cells because they are looking for ways to replicate or duplicate itself and, of course, themselves grow. So the way coronaviruses infect the human body is that it goes in and through its spikes on the corona, it enters your cells and cause disease. So a vaccine, what it does is you already prepare the human body by having a very strong immune response such that when you get infected by a pathogen, your body already is prepared to respond and kill the bug. Again, this is the same technology as using brewing beer. So you have a vessel where you give some food, then you put in your yeast or your bacteria that has that genetic code for you to make your vaccine. And then you give them sugars and you give them oxygen, and it needs to have a rotation so that you can, make these cells grow. And as they're growing, they're producing your vaccine. We started developing our coronavirus vaccine back in 2011, which was against the SARS virus that was circulating at that time. By 2016, we were unable to continue gaining support to develop it, and therefore we had to store it in a freezer. Fortunately, we stored it in a way that we now can rapidly take it out and continue its development. But if we would have continued in these past 4 years, maybe we could have had a vaccine ready to evaluate in humans today. Today, instead, we are having to go backwards, start halfway, and hopefully advance it quickly enough that we can help during this outbreak. This is not going to be the last outbreak we will see. Maybe it will be another coronavirus, maybe it will be something different. We should always make sure that our strategies are long-term and sustainable strategies.